What up, y'all? It's Fess. We're out here, open beats everywhere. What up? What's good? We're out here at the home and production lab of one of my favorite DJs and producers coming out of Chicago right now. I'm talking about my homie Slot A. Slot is on fire right now. He just produced a good bulk of the new album for Jamila Woods called Legacy. He's about to go on tour with her. This dude's got gear stacked on top of gear, including the MPC 4000, just chilling in the closet. I think I've convinced him to break that back out, but we'll get into that later. I also brought my OPZ over. Hopefully we can do a little jam, talk about some album stuff. Let's get into it. All right, man, so we're here, man. We're in the humble abode of Slot A. Man, like, you got a lot of gear up in here, man. Like, you working with the machine and stuff. Everybody's Ableton looks different. I'm sitting there looking at your Ableton and, like, I don't even know what's going on in your session. Why don't you actually show me what you got going on right here, man? Damn, so this is the joint that you made from for Jamila Woods, man. This is the Zora joint, right?
Facts.
How did you talk about what you did with this one?
So, this beat, in terms of the drums, initially started in Machine. What I normally do is I'll start like the drum programming in here, and then I will bring it out. But it all kind of started from this ride cymbal that we have here. So let me cut the snare. I don't know, the ride is just kind of like a super easy kind of hi-hat vibe, but it kind of allows you to, it kind of adds like a rhythm because it's natural. It doesn't feel so stiff.
Right.
It kind of has a little bit of wiggle room and it has its own swing. So once you kind of add.
And you chopped all these drums with machine originally.
Yeah.
Why do you prefer chopping your drums with machine over, like, just say using the simpler in Ableton or the drum rack as a lot of people do?
I don't know, man. It sounds very, what do you say? Like, it sounds very like reptilian brain, but like I like touching shit.
Yeah, I hear you on that.
You know what I'm saying? Like, I could obviously do it with the keyboard, but it's something about like pads that I've gotten used to.
For sure.
So that, and I kind of work a little bit easier in here. I don't have to, like, in terms of being able to chop. For me, it's faster because I could literally load, say, like this hi-hat in here, set my parameters really fast, and I can also pick my cue points really fast.
Yeah.
Because I've gotten comfortable with that workflow. You know what I'm saying?
And then you can do a lot on the surface here, I know, too, right? As opposed to learning how to even, like, adjust your velocity on whatever hits. It's like I had to spend so many months just learning how to make basic adjustments in Ableton. So
yeah.
I feel you on that one.
And then, like, I still make more adjustments in here.
So what else you got? What else you got going on then?
So,
you're taking the audio out of the machine.
I took audio machine, so
from
this
the drum traps.
Kind of like everything in here. And when I got this, I had just got what is it called, bro? I just got the Arturia Analog Lab.
Oh.
Analog Lab 3 at that time. So
that's the lead, right?
that's pretty much the
That's
whole
everything?
beat. Pretty much the whole beat.
Okay.
Except maybe, yeah, except the Rhodes. I think the Rhodes is like Lizard Lounge.
Yeah, Lizard Lounge sounds great, man. I love Lizard Lounge.
Particularly like if you start putting like distortion units on it and stuff like that.
Yeah. I really prefer that. That's like my go-to electric piano. Yeah.
So all this is, at this point, like I've taken the drums out and I don't really mess with MIDI that much. So I'll have like a channel by itself. Like I'll have a channel of the plugin. I'll have it run in, and then I'll have the audio ran into like another channel that's just pure audio.
Gotcha.
And so I don't.
So
really
like you
mess
create
with
like a bus sort of like what you're doing, yeah.
And then I'll just play it live and just take the audio. Whatever I gotta fix, I'll fix.
Yeah.
But at that point, I'm done. Like I don't know. It's easier for me because I'm not necessarily like a big like synth tweaker.
Yeah.
Like, cool, I like that sound. Let's see how it fits, and then I'll just keep building on top of it.
Gotcha.
You know what I'm saying? So, yeah. So this beat has like essentially like 3 different bass lines.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
How'd you get that filtered out so it didn't like, cause you know you listen to it and it's like you're only really hearing one.
Yeah. So this one, for the verse until like the beginning half, it's all the same bass. And this is where it changes.
Is that like a whole new patch? Gotcha.
And then I started to alternate between two different patches. Like kind of going back and chopping, just so I can kind of get like the layers right.
Awesome.
And then we went back. This was kind of later. This was a lot of her doing. She produced the hell out of this.
That's what's up.
But yeah, that's essentially like how it kind of works for me. So I'll start drums in Machine, or I'll start the sample chopping here, and I'll bring it out in Ableton, and then I'll mess with the plugins. That way I can turn it into a real song. One of my Achilles heels of Machine is I haven't figured out how to structure.
Or like your patterns and whatnot?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'm not a Machine person, so
like
buddy.
Because there's cats like Il Brown, Trox.
Yeah,
they'll do
that's
the
like
whole,
all they use.
This is all they use.
Yeah.
Hands down. And I applaud them for that. Like, go for it. It's not me though.
Yeah.
So like I'll use it almost kind of how you would use an MPC.
Right.
And then just bust everything down and then kind of make the real song in Ableton in terms of like structure, et cetera, et cetera.
Got you. Then what's tight is, like, for instance, that master track I was showing you, when you pull it up on the screen, now you got the circle of fifths right here, right?
Okay.
Real theory shit, without having to really know that much, you know what I mean? Tells you what key you're already in, or what it thinks you're in, what mode it thinks you're in. Like you said, key of E with the mixolydian or whatever.
Yeah.
That's this scale right here. It'll change everything up. It's like so crazy, man. Like I can lay down a crazy bass line right now, and it'll still stay in key. So I go back over to that master track. You know? It's just like, what the fuck? It's crazy how I've gotten so used to this keyboard. Check this shit out, bro. This shit is crazy.
Oh.
Yeah, right?
I'll record that right
Yeah,
now.
go ahead.